This is so great. It's already getting dark out. Spooky woods.
I know. I can't wait till we meet Jamie and Jessie.
Aren't they supposed to be here by now?
Check the time.
I don't have a watch. That was so hilarious.
Oh my God, I know.
What was that?
What was that?
We are so totally
Stupid.
Hey, what's under the pile of sticks?
Oh my God. Is that a dead person?
He looks kind of backed up.
Being constipated?
Whatever. Well, good thing I brought my Metamucil. Always handy. Give him lots. Eat it, dead man.
What the fuck are you doing? Can anybody fucking kill anybody these days?
I'm so glad we got away from that weirdo.
Oh my God, I think I broke a nail.
My hair!
It looks fine, hon.
What is that?
It looks like a cemetery.
A cemetery.
Yeah.
Fiver? Bonkers. Bundles? Bundles number 2? What the hell?
Mouse. Oh, what the hell is this about?
Oh my God. What if this is the Creeper Cemetery?